Hey, what's up there, you loves? Welcome to this channel. In this video episode, we will be talking about the things that you need to start gardening. And surprisingly, they can just be found in your home. We basically need this equipment and tools because every time we work in our garden, our work's gonna be faster and easier. So if you are like me who is before wondering what are the equipments and tools to use in gardening, then this video is just for you. So if you're first time here in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Please select all so every time we post videos, you will be the first one to know. Number one in our list is of course our gloves. Look at these gloves. They can be used everywhere. This is to protect yourself, so you should better get one. So also we have here our potting materials. We have tiny cute little pots, a big one, and of course if you don't have them, just get this traditional and classic recyclable plastics. We will be posting you a description video below on how to make use of them properly, okay? And of course if you want, or we need also this plastic bags in our garden. These things, cute little things that you can see now, loves, are our materials for seeding. So this is what we use when we get seeds from our plants. Of course, we have a strainer, and we have our seed capsules. As you can see that, we put our seeds in here. This will be available in the market very soon. We're still processing the propagation stage. We also have our cute circular container here, our recyclable bottles, and so many tiny more circular containers wherein we put our seeds. Okay, this area is the equipment or tools for grafting. When you love doing grafting, for example, I'm gonna show you this moon cactus. This was made through grafting, and we have a video on this. Please watch out for that one. We will include the link below. So these are the things that we need. We have our scissors, our surgical scissors, and also we have our clipper. So we clip the moon cactus like that, and we use the scissors to cut anything. We also have different kinds of clippers. You can use them very well in grafting. And we have also our what do you call this one? This is where you slice or you cut anything. We also have our tape. So the tape is useful in sticking to plants in grafting, if you know what I mean. We also have our pullers. These are pullers that you use in your eyebrows. Surprisingly, they can use in plants too. And of course, we have our cutter, so we use this. But this one has rust now. Make sure to use the unrusted one. Also, don't forget to have your alcohol. Your alcohol plays a vital role. It will be disinfecting everything. Okay, so we have here clear plastic. So what do we use here for? This one, we cover our newly grafted plant, so that we can retain the moisture. And to help that one to be enclosed, we use this rubber bands and also clips to retain the moisture of our grafted plant. And also, please let us not forget pollination. So that's why we have our paint brushes here. We use this for our manual pollination. So what do is we do it like this inside and transfer here inside. So don't worry, we will be teaching you how to pollinate properly and different methods of pollination in our next videos. Of course, let us not forget our sticks and tongs. So the tong, I use them to do some dish gardening. If I transfer big plants, I use this to protect my hand from thorns. And also, I'm using chopsticks to pick up some let's say moon cactus like here. So I'm gonna do it like this. So this is how we use our chopstick. Sometimes if I forget my clipper, then I'm just gonna clip it like that, slowly, careful. And please don't forget our popsicle sticks here. We use this to label and tag. We write something here so that we can remember when did we do something. For example, I'm gonna write the day today here and then place it in this grafted material. So this will be a remembrance, or this will serve as a date tag. And we also have our brush here. If you have seen this video that I've done before, then you can remember that we use this for cleaning. So we can just brush it slowly. Okay, that's it. There you go. And of course, our spoon, this spoon can be used to get some soil and pour it here, some stone and pour it here. Now, if you have something at home that you use for gardening and you think is essential, please comment that down below in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. And also, we have our watering tin here. You can just put water here and just do it like that. And of course, our sprays. So we put something here like our organic fungicide or water and spray them like that on our plants. So there you have it, loves, right? As easy as that, you can always find this in your home. You can always upgrade, but before you upgrade, please try this so that you can identify which way is working. Always remember, you loves, that you don't need posh things in order to start gardening, because what you have to have is that will to start the garden. In the next of our videos, we will be featuring how to use these tools individually, so watch out for more. Please subscribe, comment, and share this video so that others can be green as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again. This is the Green Minded Project.